you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Ronice.Chantal and welcome back, you guys. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and for those of you that are returning, what up? So in today's video we are going to make 4th of July shirts. Today is July 2nd and I literally have like today to finish these shirts, so I decided to show you guys a tutorial on how to use the HTVRONT Sublimation HTV for dark fabrics. So I'm excited to try this. As you guys know, before on dark fabrics we were able to use white vinyl with the clear and then we will be able to sublimate on it, but with this all you would need to do, which I will show you, is create an offset and sublimate right onto this bad boy. So I can't wait to try this. I got a couple images for 4th of July for my family. Gonna have a great holiday. Make sure you guys are safe. Be safe. Don't shoot your eye out, kid. All right, you guys, we're going to jump right into the computer. I'm going to show you guys how you can create your offset for your images and then get them ready for sublimating. So let's hop into the computer. So I just fixed all the images. They're a little bit smaller, but that's okay. And I had to change the offset to basic cut. So make sure when you're creating your offset, you change it to the basic cut in the operation settings. So now we are ready to get this started. I hope they're not too small. And I kind of don't have the energy to do the, slice in half, and we'll see how big it comes out. So we're gonna go ahead and make it. All right, so all right, you guys, so when you get your HTVRONT, it comes with the instructions right inside. It's a little bit rolled up, but they're very easy to read. It's saying this product is only suitable for sublimation on 100% cotton dark colored clothing. Right there, and then it shows you what to do if you have scissors and if you got a cutting machine like a Cricut, Silhouette. Want to make sure you mirror the image, and then here's the heating tips at the bottom. So if you get this, it comes with instructions, so you cannot go wrong with this. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Right now I am gonna mirror all the images that I have, which is quite a few of them. And this is a boring process, so I'm not gonna put you guys back on the laptop. Right now I'm mirroring the vinyl, the one I have to cut. Mirror. And I'm gonna test to see if my Cricut can cut the image on the paper exactly to the offset. I hope it works, but I'm gonna try it. I always skip that part because it never cuts what I need. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe it's me. Maybe it's not the Cricut. All right, so I got all the images set and now we're gonna start printing. I'll meet you guys at the Cricut machine. All right, you guys, we got the first image done. Look how good that looks. Color just popping. I set it on my sublimation settings, and yes. All right, so we're gonna put this on the Cricut mat and see how well this cuts. Sorry about the lighting. It's getting late at night and I'm trying to get this video out for you guys, and my shirt's done, so let's do this. All right, you guys, I have the image on the Cricut mat, and as I said earlier, I hope this can cut. like it cut the H or the TH separately. I think that's fine. Cause then I'll just tape it on to the final. I don't know if I like it like that though, cause I don't want to do all that work. I'm gonna figure this out. Okay, so I figured it out. It didn't cut all the way through, so I was able to just cut around it. And yeah, I don't like how small this, I hope this is the first image because I don't like how small it is. Alright you guys, so next we are about to start cutting the star of the show, which is this HTV vinyl. So right now the instructions say you have to set the settings on flocked iron-on. Let me see if I can find. Right there, flocked iron-on. So that's what I'm looking for right now in my computer, is the flocked iron-on. If I have it. Let's see if I have it. Flocked iron. Alright you guys, after extensive research, because I am sleepy, but we gotta get this done. So I'm just gonna try it on the regular iron-on setting, because the flocked is just, I guess it's just like a felt material, but I'm gonna try it on its iron-on, see what happens, and hope for the best. You guys, so we're going to cut the vinyl up to the size that I need for the offset. And this vinyl does feel a little thick, so yeah, we're gonna try the iron-on setting, see how that goes, and it does feel a little soft too. But we'll see. So we want to have the matte side facing up, shiny side down. Grab my handy dandy roller, lay that flat. Just like that, and insert it into the Cricut machine. Okay, so we are back, and I preheated my heat press as the first instructions say for when you're starting the heat press. So the next one is we're going to position the Sublimation HTV on the clothing glossy side facing up. So that's what we're gonna do now. Right now we're gonna work on my sun shirt, size 2T, heavy cotton. So we're gonna work on this. And I'm not going to show you the other ones. We're going to see how well this one turns out, and that would be the video, guys. So I'm just going to press the shirt a little bit, get the moisture out. Oh, and I forgot the most important thing. So my heat press is set at 305 Fahrenheit. It says to set it at 150 degrees Celsius to 155 degrees Celsius, which is around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's what I have my heat press set on. Here is the HTV weeded out. This is the offset that we did earlier. So I'm going to position that on my sun shirt. We're gonna do this for the next one. We're gonna apply heavy pressure for 10 seconds and cold peel. So time. Okay, and there we go. Right, so it said cold peel, so we're gonna wait a few minutes before we peel it. To peel this away. Just like that. Okay, so now we're gonna get our image ready. Align it as best as you can onto the flocked vinyl. That looks good enough, and now I'm gonna just tape it down. Just got 2 pieces of tape. So that was what we just did, is place the sublimation paper face down on the Sublimation HTV. Set the heat press. Oh, it wants us to crank it up now, so I'm gonna crank it up to 320. And apply heavy pressure for 40 to 50 seconds. The warm peel, and then we're gonna warm peel it. Okay, so I'm gonna let it heat up, and then we're gonna go ahead and press it. All right, you guys, now for the moment of truth. We are going to lay our Teflon sheet. Okay, and remember, we're gonna do heavy pressure. I got my heat press at 356 for 50 seconds, and let's do this. Jeez. There we go. As you can tell too, I have a new heat press. I love this thing already. And as always, I am nervous. Let me get y'all right so you guys can be my witness. This is my first time ever. Very, very excited. All right, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here. We gotta do our money hands. I mean, I need some lotion, but we're gonna do our money hands. Warm peel. Whoa. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Look at that, you guys. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look how clear that looks. Oh my. Y'all can't see my face right now because it's like almost midnight. This is, oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that. What do you guys think? And to add some jazz to this, I'm gonna add some puff vinyl on the back. I think that's gonna look super cool, super different. You guys, look at that. We just sublimated on 100% cotton using HTVRONT HTV sublimation for dark colored shirts. Look at that, you guys. Look how the colors are popping. Stretch test. Stretching is good. No caking, no peeling. Oh my goodness, I love this already. I love it. And he's going to wear this to daycare. Tomorrow's the 3rd, so. Oh my gosh. Ah! I am so excited. All right, you guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. This is the final results. I went ahead and put some fireworks on the back of it. This is the puff vinyl from Hobby Lobby. It's really nice. You can see the little rays in it. It's not too much puff, but it's really nice. I like that. So I got the fireworks in the back and 4th of July in the front. If you guys want this vinyl, HTVRONT Sublimation HTV for dark colors, head over to Amazon. I will still have it linked down below. And for this puff vinyl, you can head over to your Hobby Lobby. That's where I got this one from. But until then, my name is Ronice.Chantal, and I'll see you guys in the next video.